A new member to the market today is Deneb, which became the newest member of the JSE yesterday, actually listing. But to explain the company's decision to actually join the local bourse, I'm joined on the line now by the chief executive of the firm, Stuart Queen. Good to have you with us, Mr. Queen. Maybe if you can unpack your decision to list, especially at such a time, given the fact that we've really seen a significant rally in the markets.
Great. Thanks for the opportunity, Vivian, and hello to your viewers. Look, I guess the point to make really is that these are businesses that have been exposed to the market for quite some time, and so it was really businesses that were spun out of the old Sodal shell. And the reason for spinning off the businesses was really more about what was left behind in Sodal than actually the businesses that are in Deneb, and that is that the rationale behind it was to create a media-focused business in Sodal. And so Deneb are businesses that have been exposed, as I said, to the market for many years, in fact, and have now just been spun out into a new listing. So it wasn't that we were raising capital in terms of the timing of the listing. It was more about actually just spinning it off into a separate entity and trying to get some focus.
Your company does have a very wide mix, moving from property to manufacturing as well as other branded goods. Which particular of those sectors might be better poised for growth going forward?
I think that we do see that there is some growth potential in the branded product space. We see that that's an area that we've put a lot of focus in over the last few years, and we will continue to put some focus in. But we are also believers in the manufacturing sector, and maybe contrary to popular opinion, we do think that there is still potential in the manufacturing sector in our economy and in the African economy generally as we try and tap into some of those growth stories.
Maybe if you can enlighten us on that slightly further, Stuart. There's slow growth in South Africa. Many people complain about the regulatory environment. Manufacturing, how do we boost that sector? Does it need more money or a business-friendly operating environment?
Yeah, look, I do think obviously there's some headwinds that manufacturing has faced over the last few years, and one of the keys being the rand and more the volatility of the rand than the actual absolute number in it. So for manufacturing businesses, I think that what we need is some stability in the currency, and then we need probably a look at the Labour Relations Act and some more flexibility around those issues that are quite well publicized.
Well, thank you so much to Stuart Queen. He's the chief executive of Deneb.